So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Have you ever seen yourself in a mirror? Wow, isn't that cool? You're like, and it's like, How about you and I draw a mirror today? I'm gonna start with the color gray, and I'm gonna draw an oval, and then some squigglies, just like that. Yeah, it looks like reflection, right? And then I'm gonna take the color pink, whoa, and go around that, and then draw a little cute little thing up top, and then go around, and then I'm gonna draw the handle. Whoa! And that's how you hold onto the mirror right there. So then you can go, how do I look? I look great! Just like yesterday, and just like the day before. Wow, that was so much fun drawing. Do you like drawing with me? Yeah! If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? All right, let's do this. B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you see me? Yeah. Do you see how I'm wearing glasses? Why don't we draw my glasses together? Yeah. All right, they're pretty hard to draw, but I think you got this. First, let's start with a long straight line. There we go, for the top. And then 2 bubbles, half circles. There we go. Perfect. And then you have to draw the arms. Yeah, that's what holds them on to your face, your ears. All right, there we go, a little hook. Perfect. And then 1 over here. Whoa, wow, don't those look good? Yeah. Well, since they're my glasses, maybe we can color them in with orange. Woohoo! All right, there we go. Whoa, I love drawing and coloring, and I love my glasses. Whoa. Well, this is the end of this video, and if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. See you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And you know what we're drawing today? Yeah, a bulldozer. Yeah, I love bulldozers. They're so big and heavy, and they push with that front blade anything and everything out of its way. All right, let's use the color orange. A lot of pieces of construction vehicles, yeah, are the color orange. All right, so let's draw a line right here, a 90-degree angle. Whoa, and then another line, and down. Whoa, what does that look like? Yeah, looks like a backwards L. This is where the engine is, and that's where the operator sits. You need to give them a square for a window so then they can see. And then, does a bulldozer have wheels and tires or tracks? Yeah, tracks. So let's draw a very, very big oval. Wow, there we go. Yeah, and then we need to draw the blade. Whoa, kind of looks like a moon, doesn't it? And then we need to connect that just like that. And now that looks like a bulldozer, but you can't forget about the ripper. Whoa, cool. Well, if you love drawing with me and you want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and I was just acting like I was driving a race car. Race cars are so fast. Hey, maybe you and I can draw a race car. All right, first let's start with the color blue, and let's draw the wheels and tires. Every race car has 4 wheels and tires, but since we're drawing it from the side, all we need to do is draw 2. And do you see those tires? Yeah, they're circles. Ooh, and let's draw the body of the race car. Whoa, a nice aerodynamic shape. Whoa, so fast. And then let's draw a triangle for the back right there, a triangle for the front right here. Whoa, cool. And then let's switch colors. And let's draw red flames because they're so fast. Cool. And let's not forget about the spoiler. Whoa! Doesn't that look like a cool race car? I know, right? Well, if you like race cars and you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Vroom. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Have you ever wanted to be an astronaut and go into outer space? Yeah, me too. Maybe you and I should draw a rocket ship together. Well, let's use the color purple. Yeah, rocket ships are how astronauts get into outer space. So let's draw a point right up top. Looks like the start of a triangle, right? And then these two lines go straight down. And if you connected right there and right there, which we won't, that would be a rectangle. Instead, we're gonna draw a circle for the porthole. All right, let's draw a really small rectangle down here. There we go. And then we need some fins. Yeah, a couple straight lines just like that. Whoa, this rocket looks fast, doesn't it? And then a straight line right there to make another rectangle. Ooh, some dots. Yeah, for some bolts, so it stays all connected. And then some flames. Yeah! Whoa! Wasn't that so much fun? Wow! If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah. Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And do you like fruit? Yeah, I do too. One of my favorite fruits is an apple. Maybe you and I should draw an apple today. Wow, there's green apples, red apples, yellow apples, but today you and I are gonna draw a red apple. All right, so let's draw a curved line like this. Ooh, and another curve on that side. There we go. And then, since apples have stems and leaves, let's take the color green and then do a stem right up here. There we go. Maybe a little thicker. But then for the leaf, a couple curved lines like that, and then a line right in the middle. Whoa, doesn't that look like a tasty apple? I know, it does. But I'm gonna color in the apple now. I'm gonna make a little line like that. Yeah, so then it looks like a reflection. And then, time to color! Yum! Whoa, that was so much fun drawing and coloring an apple together. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and today you and I are gonna draw a dinosaur with plates on its back and spikes on its tail. Yeah, you guessed it, a Stegosaurus. All right, to draw a Stegosaurus, let's draw a curved line for its back. Ooh, and then a curved line for its tail, just like that. And then let's go down and draw 4 legs, because Stegosauruses had 4 legs. And then a straight line for the body. 2 more legs to complete the 4, and then, yeah, some curved lines for the head. Whoa, can't forget about the circle for the eye, and a little smiley face. Yeah, but what's it missing? Yeah, the plates. And every Stegosaurus had 17 or more plates. So, will you count 17 with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Cool. All right, that was so much fun drawing the Stegosaurus with you. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. See you later, Red Stegosaurus.
Come on, everyone, let's make